And today's find at Jordan Motorsports in Portland, Oregon, this beautiful two-owner since new 2002 Toyota Tacoma SR5 V6 with a 5-speed manual transmission and a factory TRD off-road package with the rear lockers. The GOAT is right here. Two-owner, 100% rust-free, 100% accident-free, 103,000 original miles only. This is a clean title, CARFAX certified. This Tacoma has been 100% stock all of its life. This Tacoma has never been off-road, never been driven, or no signs of it been driven in mud or snow whatsoever. It retains all of its original body parts, body panels. We just did this full Overland package on it that includes a 2.75-inch adjustable front BILSTEIN TOYTEC level lift with RevTech differential drops. We added 33-inch FALKEN Wild Peak AT4s all the way around, with a 17-inch factory OEM TRD Pro wheels. These are the real deal. These are not your eBay knockoffs. These are purchased right from Toyota. This is an extended cab SR5 package with the manual transmission. The inside of this truck is super, super clean. Don't see any rips or tears in it whatsoever. The carpet is super clean. There's no stains, any issues. All-weather mats all the way around. There's your rear jump seats. There's your cup holder. Super clean truck. We just upgraded it with the suspension package. This Tacoma has had the timing belt replaced in it twice already. The factory says it's due at 100,000 miles, but this goes to show you the kind of ownership this Tacoma has had. They did it for the time. Both timing belts were done by professional Toyota dealerships. All the service is at Toyota since new, with all the records. All the fluids on this Tacoma have been changed, flushed, and replaced. From the differentials to the transfer case to your brake fluid to the coolant to your new coolant. We just did a fresh oil change on air filter, new wiper blades. But the previous owner just had the timing belt done at 99,000 miles, just 3,000 or 4,000 miles ago, with new hoses as well, and the water pump and thermostat, tensioners, and guides. I love these Tacomas. I hunt for them every day. Take a look at the quality here. I get a lot of people that reach out to want to sell their Tacomas, but folks, we and I only do 100% rust-free, accident-free. I don't like modified stuff. I like it 100% original. And if we decide to do upgrades based on the fit of what we know our clients want, that's what I do. I don't buy stuff that's already been modified or heavily modified. Back to this. Original body panels, all your VIN tags. All your VIN tags, as you can see, the bolts and everything is just as if it's brand new, zero corrosions. Look at that firewall. This is a 24-year-old truck. We also did our outfit package on the outside where I color matched the front bumper, the rear bumper, and the front grille in the body color, the lunar mist. Got rid of the chrome, the old man look. And we upgraded the headlights to a brand new set of the headlights, turn signals and markers, to the black housing headlights with all new bulbs. So it gives it that super nice upfit look. I also paint matched the fender flares from black to body color in smooth finish. And all the stuff in these upgrades, you guys, are not cheap. But to go back to talking about the truck, the exterior of the truck and the paint looks excellent. There's no fading, there's no clear coat peeling or any issues whatsoever. He had a canopy on it all of its life. The owner decided to sell it. It's got only flaws I saw is right here on the back where I think the canopy overlapped and did a few little nicks. And we got those professionally touched up. The bed of this truck is literally brand new bed. This is as close to buying a brand new Tacoma in the second gen or first gen body style. Take a look at this bed. There's not a ding, there's not a split, there's not a crack. It has not been hauling a bunch of wood or rocks or anything. Look at how clean the jams are. So I opted to install this brand new Patriot spray and bed liner in this one because it just had the plastic one with the canopy on it. You got factory rear slider. Look at the original bumper pads, okay? Look at the pads. There's not a scuff in them. There's not a ding. What you are buying here is you're buying a survivor, a true survivor. This is for the person that wants this generation of a Tacoma, but doesn't want to beat up and he can just go buy a new one. And he does not want that. This is not for anybody. This is not for just, hey, I want to buy a Tacoma, I want to buy this, and why is it priced like this? Original spare tire, never been on the ground. Let me go and get a better picture in here. The undercarriage of this thing is 100% rust free, 100% corrosion free. Factory exhaust, unmodified. Where do you find this 25-year-old stuff? Look at the rockers. Just insanely clean. We did install all new BILSTEIN 5100 shocks all the way around. There's one scratch right here that has been touched up as well. It's about the only flaw on this complete side that I can see. A little rock chip right here. I'll show the roof. This is not too high where I can just reach it like this. You got your factory rear slider. We already looked at this side. Let me get this thing fired up. So mechanically, this has been completely gone through, plus brand new valve cover gaskets, PCV valve, full tune-up, spark plugs, wires, everything just got done on it with all receipts and all records. You literally do not have to do a single thing to this truck. This is all recent within the last 3,000 to 4,000 miles. All right, this is what I like about these. You don't even have to press on the clutch. Let's turn the lights on, the hazards. We'll go outside and take a look at the headlights and the markers. There's your running lights, your headlights, your markers. Love the black housing headlights and getting rid of all the chrome around the signals and the grille. Just give it such a sporty look. This is what I think Toyota would build these trucks today in our era. This is how they should do them instead of all the chrome. So this kind of gives you the TRD Sport and the TRD Off-Road both together, with the Sport having the bumpers painted, and the grille, and then having the off-road and the lockers. So we got that. Let's take a look at what do we got here. Here's the front windows. They are tinted windows, but not too dark, as you can see. Let's see, I'm gonna zoom back out a little bit. There's door locks. Okay, now let's check out the mirrors. Left, right, down, and up. I wonder where this Tacoma is gonna end up. I've done and sold a ton of these to Hawaii, and quite a few to Alaska, and a lot to Colorado and Arizona. So I wonder who's gonna be the lucky buyer of this one. You got rear lockers. Take a look at the steering wheel. Take a look at the seat. Look at these, the rubbers all been cleaned, inspected for me getting in and out of it. There's no ripped rubbers, there's none of these issues. All these vent brackets are not broken, and that's a very common thing on them. Guaranteed. Now, let's turn the hazards off. Miles read 103,526. There's the horn. There's the wipers. Got brand new wipers. There's the second speed, and there's your third speed. Back to your original stereo, CD player, and tape player. Extra sprockets. Love this original stereo. Let's check the AC. We also did a fresh AC charge, like I said. All right, there we go. Let's find. This thing is blowing super cold. It always gets hard when I'm trying to get in between and watch the phone screen to make sure that, let me do this, so I can lean against the steering wheel. But it's blowing way colder than this. I think I'm getting the right angle in here. This thing's blowing, it's freezing, it's very cold. I guarantee you this is in the low 20s. That's cold enough. What else we got? Let's check out the four-wheel drive. Let's go here. Boom. There it is, lit up. Let's turn on, activate our differential lock. Let's go to forward low. There we go. What I deactivated the four-wheel drive. Let's go. For low. I don't have room in here to get it fully locked up. Let's turn that off. Let's turn that off. Turn the clutch reset off. And turn the four-wheel drive off. What else? I want to show the steering wheel. This truck clearly drives like new. There's no play in the steering wheel. I think I showed you the underneath of how clean it is. We tested out all the electronics. So like I said, all the fluids have been flushed, differentials, brand new valve cover gaskets, new full tune-up, new Belts, your serpentine belt and air conditioning belts are both new. Fresh coolant, thermostat, hoses, air filter, wipers, timing belt, water pump. This is visible, new air filter, freshly serviced battery. This Tacoma comes with all the original books, all the original manuals, and all the original keys, even the hideout key that the gentleman had behind the bumper that I found. So, if you're looking for the GOAT, there it is, 02, 100% rust-free, manual 5-speed TRD off-road V6. It is right here. And then all the upgrades that you'd want to do to it, from suspension upgrade to the TRD Pros to the FALKEN AT4s, it's all already done. It's all brand new, 0 miles. Timing belt, water pump, tune-up, valve cover gaskets, etc. There's 0 leaks. Steering rack has been already gone through as well. No oil leaks whatsoever. You've got a brand new, basically a brand new bed, but it's not. It's 25 or 24 years old. I've sold every single one of these, especially manuals. They do not last long. Don't chew on it. Don't sleep on it. It won't last long. We are Jordan Motorsports in Portland, Oregon. I ship these trucks nationwide. I'm happy to help you with the shipping. I've dealt with shippers all my life. I've shipped thousands of trucks. I know how shippers work. I know how to vet them. I know how to make sure they're insured and bonded, and I only work with A+ rated shippers. Now, as for financing, I can finance this truck, believe it or not, up to 84 months and as low as 6.99. Standard credit union financing. We all know banks, credit unions, they will not finance these trucks. You have to pay cash for them. It's not over 10 years, it's over 15, it's over 20. Banks and credit unions, 15 years is usually the cutoff. This is a special program I've created with a local credit union to finance these certified pre-owned trucks that are rust-free and fully serviced. So I'm happy to help. We take care of all your titling, all your registration. You pay the sales tax of your state where you live in. And we help you and handle all that for you. Buying from us is just like buying from the dealer down the street from you. All the glass have been inspected. There's no cracks, there's no issues. Everything. This is just turnkey and drive. I would get in this truck, fill it up with gas, and drive a 3,000-mile trip tomorrow. Or I would fill it up and go off-grid if that's what I want to do. Whatever it is that you want to do, this is ready to do it. I got 95 detailed photos on the website with a full description. Check it out at jordanmotorsports.com.